It is currently 6 a.m. and I'm walking through this beautiful town here. Someone said to me yesterday that they love living here because it makes them feel like they've stepped back in time and things have slowed down a bit. And I couldn't agree more. There's something about slowing down and which allows you to be more present and really tap into your body, your mind, and what you need. And being so close to the beach and being so close to nature, you also make better decisions. Like, you're so tapped into nature that you want to become that of nature, which means, you know, feeding your body what it needs, taking time to ground and meditate. It allows you to take the time necessary for you. Take it slow, take it easy. There's no rush, but yet everything still gets done. It's so beautiful. And for me, being able to go to the beach at any point in the day, whether it be in the rising or at night, both have been super beneficial to me on my current journey. I feel very much in alignment. I feel very calm, cool, and collected. I feel very well received by the earth, the ocean, the people, everything that I put on my body, in my body. It just feels good, right? And this is why it's so important to put yourselves in environments where you are able to thrive and flourish. I think a lot of people spend most of their lives in spaces that are the opposite of what their body needs, their mind needs to thrive, to really and truly live their best reality. Oh, this image is so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So, yeah, it's been a minute since I've done a video journal. I have been stationary doing my videos and lectures, but I'm so excited to bring you all on this rising walk with me to the beach. I went from walking in my neighborhood, which was just a little half circle. Um, it did what it had to do for the time being, but this is why it's so important to make the most of your current environment so that when you get to the environment that you desire, the environment that you've been dreaming of, you are prepared to receive that. So you have to start living in the now as if you already have it, so that when it becomes your reality, it doesn't feel any different. This is just a brief message that I wanted to share. I'll end up doing more, but for now, I want to show you guys the beach. Yes, I simply wanted to show the beach, but also let you know that your environment is everything. Not only your internal environment, but your external environment. And if you're someone who's looking to change your experience and your environment on the outside, you must first start within. You have to start with your internal environment, because ultimately, as within, so without. And this is how I was able to go from undesired circumstances to something like this, because I started to do the inner work. And as I started to clean out from the inside out, my entire world began to change. So, yes, if you're someone who is currently in an environment that you don't want to be in, start doing the work internally. Start changing your diet. Start going for walks regardless of where you live. You need to make the time. That's really what it comes down to. Make the time to find a space where you can ground, begin grounding, begin journaling, begin doing all the work on the mind, the body, and the soul. And you'll start to see that your reality has no choice but to catch up to you. So beautiful. I'm going to do a little sun gazing, recharge in the water, and then go about my day. Um, but yeah, if you are looking for any sort of resources, anything that you want to read about on how you can begin to change your environment from the inside out, be sure to check out some of my links down below, because I did it. I went through the work and I'm still going through the work. And as I'm doing the work, I will be sharing my experience with all who resonate, all who are looking to start this journey, because this is a collective journey. And when one of us begins to do the work, we start to see that everyone around us begins to do the work. So, yeah, thanks.